Welcome to Auto Review Pro, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Stay tuned as we explore the world of automobiles with detailed breakdowns of performance, technology, and design. The 2026 Prevost Toyota Motorhome is a groundbreaking collaboration that merges luxury travel with Japanese precision engineering. This innovative motorhome redefines what it means to experience life on the road by combining Prevost's iconic bus-based coach platform with Toyota's advanced hybrid and tech-driven approach. The result is a motorhome designed for both adventure and comfort, appealing to luxury travelers and RV enthusiasts alike. Under the hood, the 2026 Prevost Toyota Motorhome is powered by a hybrid powertrain that blends a turbocharged V6 engine with electric motors to deliver smooth, powerful performance and excellent fuel efficiency for its class. The engine is paired with an advanced continuously variable transmission (CVT) and all-wheel drive system, providing exceptional traction and handling, even when fully loaded. This combination allows the motorhome to cruise effortlessly on highways, while maintaining impressive torque on inclines or rugged routes. The exterior design is bold and elegant, with sleek body lines, a streamlined roofline, and a massive panoramic windshield that provides stunning visibility from the driver's seat. LED headlights and taillights, chrome accents, and 22-inch alloy wheels add a sophisticated touch. Multiple side storage compartments and an automated awning system enhance its functionality, while the electric slide-outs expand living space when parked. Inside, the 2026 Prevost Toyota Motorhome offers a truly luxurious experience. The interior layout is spacious, designed with high-end materials like real wood trim, leather seating, and ambient LED lighting. The living area includes a smart entertainment system with a retractable 65-inch OLED TV, surround sound, and full internet connectivity. The kitchen features premium appliances including a convection oven, induction cooktop, double-door refrigerator, and a quartz countertop with a deep sink. A full dining area provides comfortable seating for four. The motorhome includes a separate master bedroom with a queen-size bed, overhead storage, and a digital climate control system. The bathroom is equipped with a rainfall shower, porcelain toilet, and vanity with LED mirror. A washer-dryer combo, solar panels on the roof, and advanced insulation make this coach ready for extended off-grid adventures. In terms of technology and safety, the motorhome includes a digital dashboard with full vehicle diagnostics, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, and a 360-degree camera system. Smart voice controls manage lighting, climate, and entertainment. With Toyota's reliability and Prevost's craftsmanship, this motorhome is built to last and impress. The 2026 Prevost Toyota Motorhome brings an unmatched blend of innovation, comfort, and performance. It is designed for travelers who want the freedom of the open road without compromising on luxury or convenience. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more updates on the latest vehicles and RV innovations, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. This is Auto Review Pro, your trusted source for expert automotive reviews and the latest in vehicle technology.